I just wanted to do a quick unboxing and review for the Rainpoint Automatic Outdoor Plant Watering Kit. I tried it already and liked it so much that I got a second one. Here you can see it in action on a raised bed that's about 4 feet by 20 or so feet wide, using 4 nozzles, and it completely covers the entire garden. It just came in from Amazon, so let's open the box. Here you see it comes with small sprinkler hoses, the main connector for your outdoor water hose connector, and various connectors that you can use depending on how many points you want the water to come out of, as well as a bunch of nozzles. Here's the main timer, which uses 3 AAA batteries. And here you see the hose, which is quite flexible, and you can actually cut it up yourself with pretty much any pair of scissors. And this is a part that connects between the timer and the black watering hose. It has a quick detach connector on it in case you need to pull the hose off in a rush. And here you can see how easy it is to connect the tubing to the splitters. And it's a little hard to pull it off, which is a good thing, since you don't want the tube disconnecting on its own. They actually give you way more than you really need. Here's how you would connect the spray nozzle, which you can see is adjustable so the spray can come out as a small stream or a wide spray. This is the battery pack, which gets sealed up watertight inside the case. So far I've been using mine well over a month with no issues and no need to replace the batteries, so I guess they don't run out too fast. And here's the timer in action, already connected to the outdoor water on a splitter, so that a regular hose can also be used too. You press the center button once to set it, and the outside LED indicates the length of time you want to spray, and the inside LED indicates the interval between sprays. Once you're done setting it, it turns on right away as a test, so you have to stand back a bit. You could see that with just 4 of these nozzles, it can get pretty much every single spot on the entire garden. All in all, I really recommend this product. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe.